Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today's topic is we can display even and odd numbers in array, not array list. In array, some numbers is there. Based on that numbers, we need to find out even and odd numbers using Streams API. Now, first you can create one class. Create one class here. Even odd number arrays. You can put like this name. Now class is created. First you need to create main method. Now here you can give create new array number numbers equal to here we need to give numbers 10, 15, 8, 49, 25, 98, 32, 27, 12, 44, 91. This is the numbers. Now we can save this one. Now we can display even numbers first. Sys out display even numbers. I need to display even numbers. Next here arrays dot stream. You need to give numbers 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 dot box. That means we need to convert the stream format. So first I converted streams format, then you're using filter x arrow token x %2 double equal to 0 for each here x plus sys system dot out dot println. Here println we need to mention x value. This is for array, this is for even numbers, displaying even numbers. Now we can check, right click and run as the program. We can check the output, what is the even numbers are displaying or not. See, now is even numbers are displaying. Similarly we can display odd numbers also. Now again we need to change the logic for this one. System display odd numbers. Here are arrays dot stream numbers numbers dot box dot filter y arrow token y %2 not equal to 0. Not equal to filter. Here using 2 arrows, coming 2 arrows. Okay, now you can check for each y arrow token system dot out dot and println need to display y value. Now you can check now is displaying or not y value. See here, you can observe here display even numbers. These are the even numbers. display odd numbers. These are the odd numbers. Now we need to display single line for this one. That's why you can remove ln. We need to remove ln. Ln means next line. We need to remove ln. Use some little space. ln we are giving ln. Now we can check what happened. See, here is giving display. You need to give here /n for next line purpose. You can /n means next line. In Java language we are mentioning. Let's see here. This is single line. Another way also is there. We can do that one also. We can try that one also. What happened? Map. We are using map. In collectors, so partition by one method is there. We can use and we can display even and add numbers. Now we are trying that one. Here we can give boolean. We are giving boolean list of integers. We are giving list of integers. Why means that is coming. I will explain why I will write like this return types. Now arrays dot stream dot number dot box new MB here is numbers box dot collection collectors dot partition by. Here I need to mention x arrow token x %2 equal to 0. This is the logic for this one. See, my means boolean. Boolean is return type is true or false. List of integer means here all are converting and storing into the list format. That's why. Now you can display this one. What is display? What is output for this scenario? List value. Okay, you can write like this. You need to understand purpose. You can write even and add list. Even and odd list. Odd numbers and numbers. Here you can display list value. You can try what is the output of this one. See here, you can use /n for next line display purpose. Need to understand easily. See here, you can see, observe here. See here, even and odd numbers. Here false. False means this one. That's why boolean. This is the false means odd numbers. True means even numbers. This is one of the way we can display the even and odd numbers using partitions. This is one of the way. We can try different ways. Actually, in my previous videos, I written even and odd numbers using array list. Yeah, video is there. You can check that even and odd numbers array list. That is also available in our YouTube channel. You can check. This is the today's topic. If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.